Welcome to LinguaWire English A1. Today we have two stories, HIV in Cambodia and Snails with changing slime. For help, transcripts and word lookups are at LinguaWire.com. Cambodia reaches a big HIV goal. Now we go to Ella, our LinguaWire correspondent for health.
Cambodia has reached an important HIV target.
That sounds like a major health moment.
Yes, it is one of only 11 countries to do it. The goal is called 95-95-95.
Three numbers can mean a lot here.
They mean three things. First, 95% of people with HIV know their status. Second, 95% of people with HIV take medicine. Third, 95% of people on medicine have very low virus levels.
So the medicine can really lower the risk.
Yes, and that helps stop new infections. Cambodia reached this goal in June. It was the first in Asia and the Pacific.
And the region had never done that before.
That is right. Experts say stigma is still the big problem. Stigma is shame and fear. It can stop people from testing or visiting a clinic.
That is a simple but serious barrier.
Cambodia tried a different path. People were helped where they felt accepted. That made it easier to get care.
Was the change only about clinics?
No. People in the country also changed their response over time. A man named Sofal Siam knows this well. He lost his job after an HIV test. Later, medicine and home care helped him recover.
So this is also a story about shame and hope.
Yes, and about long work from many people. Now Cambodia says most people with HIV are on medicine. That is the latest step in a long fight.
Snails and their changing slime. Now we go to Noah, our LinguaWire correspondent for technology.
Snails may be slimy, but their slime is smart.
That is a fun image, but it sounds serious too.
It is. Researchers looked closely at one kind of snail. It is called the brown-lipped snail.
And what did they find?
They found 5 kinds of mucus. The snail changes the mix to fit the job. Some mucus is for moving. Some is for defense. Some is for winter protection. And some is sticky, so it can cling to hard places.
So one animal makes several useful materials.
Yes, and the team says the same parts make different slimes. That could help engineers later. A better slime may help seal a wound. It may also help carry medicine.
That is a very practical idea.
The scientists collected the snails on rainy days. They fed them simple food. Then they used tools to gather the mucus.
Even the collection work sounds delicate.
It was. For some mucus, they tickled the snails. For others, they used tweezers or a small spoon tool.
And the slime was not all the same inside.
Exactly. The samples had similar proteins, but in different amounts. The mix of calcium also changed. That is what gave each slime a different feel.
So nature may be teaching new design ideas.
That is the big idea. A tiny snail may help shape future materials.
First, 3 words from the HIV story. Status, your health state or condition. In the story, people needed to know their HIV status. Example, I do not know my status yet. Medicine, a drug that helps treat illness. In the story, many people with HIV take medicine every day. Example, she takes medicine after breakfast. Stigma, shame or fear around a person or problem. In the story, stigma can stop people from getting tested. Example, stigma can make people stay quiet. Now for one structure, 95% of people. We use this pattern for a large part of a group. 95% of people with HIV know their status. 95% of people on HIV medicine have very low virus levels. Repeat after me. 95% of people. Want more than 2 stories a day? Sign up at LinguaWire.com for the free daily digest. 4 short stories matched to your level in your inbox every morning. Set up your free subscription at LinguaWire.com.